Everyone's asking if dropshipping can still be profitable in 2025. Let me share something really surprising. While 90% of dropshippers fail, the other 10% are actually making more sales than ever before. And today I'm going to show you what separates the winners from the losers. Hi guys, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner. I also run a small community called the Ecom Network where we help entrepreneurs just like you start and scale the e-commerce businesses. I'm doing this video because someone messaged me earlier asking this very same question, so I'm going to answer it right now. The crazy thing, the range is actually massive. There are some people that aren't making any money at all, but there are some that are making between 1,000 and 3,000 per month, all the way up to 50,000 per month. So that's how large the range is. So 100%, depending on how much you need to earn and how much you need to live on, you can actually make a full-time living doing dropshipping. You just have to do it the correct way. I mean, the global dropshipping market is expected to hit 301 billion this year. And that's not just hype, that's real businesses solving real problems for real customers. Now, the key here isn't starting capital, it's actually finding the right niche, matching it with the right suppliers. And what you want to do is you want to look for products that give you at least a 40% margin after your costs. And there are three things you need to get right. You need to get the product selection right, you need to choose the correct suppliers, and you also need to give fantastic customer service. And I tell you what, the most profitable stores focus on solving problems rather than just chasing the latest trend. Now, out of that 10% that actually stay in business, a whopping 27% of them actually have dropshipping as their full-time business. And here's something you can actually think about as well. So instead of selling just generic phone cases, you can actually sell specialized protective cases for specific professions or activities. And in essence, that's how you build a brand that people can trust. Now look, while you can actually spend as little as $500 to get started, I would actually recommend spending at least $2,000. So that's $500 for your platform and your tools, and then $1,000 for marketing. So that's for your ad costs and your initial testing for your ads. And then you can add on to that $500 for your tools and the unexpected costs of returns coming back to your store. And in the community, we've seen a lot more success when people have a runway of at least 2 or 3 months. Instead of just concentrating on that first month, they've got 2 or 3 months of runway. This allows you to properly test your products and also optimize your marketing. Giving yourself a 3-month runway is absolutely key. And what you also want to do is start with just one product category, and as that does well, you start scaling and actually introducing more. This reduces your initial investment risks and actually allows you to actually become an expert in your field. But here's what most gurus will not tell you. The real profit isn't in random products, it's in building automated systems that scale your operation while maintaining quality. And sometimes it means using services like Spocket or AppScenic. And I've actually done a review on AppScenic, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And the one thing I will say is try not to focus too much on competing with price. What you want to do is you want to focus on giving value and really great customer service on the back end. And then you want to start with products that actually solve problems in niches that you actually understand. So can dropshipping be your full-time job? Of course it can, but you just need to do things the correct way. The key is to start slow and actually ramp as things go on, and give yourself enough runway so you can actually survive. That's the reason why most dropshippers survive, because they give themselves enough runway. So if you want to learn even more about this, like I said at the beginning of the video, we've got a free community called the Ecom Network. We'd love to see you. We show e-commerce entrepreneurs just like you how to start and scale their business. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. So if you found this video helpful, you'll really like my next video that shows you what dropshipping is and how it actually works.